broke today.
Today is
Pulled the one off of the other side, and it's got a little noise.
Tomorrow, hot 93. Even next value is high as 122.
Get up here. Okay, well, I got my new pulleys that, of course, we got our original failed one that the bearing's totally gone there, and then this is the opposite side, and it's here, but it's a little noisy. And I also got this one that came off the mower deck that we spin it. It is super loud, and this one goes on the secondary belt that hooks all the blades together. But it's a real simple one to put on this once you get the belt off. But I'm gonna unpackage it. Okay, it comes with the new pulley, the center arbor, and then of course this is the downside, and then once it's on there, it comes with a new kind of shield to go over the top to protect that bearing and keep stuff from collecting there on top. So we'll get our ratchet, and of course I got to film and do all the work, so please be patient with me. And this pulley was up here on the tensioner on the deck up here, and originally it had, you know, the flat washer and for a spacer, and then this setting on top of that pulley. Well, we're going to throw these two pieces away, and we're going to start out with, and of course this is a carriage bolt, so it fits in the little square in the that's in the deck. We'll put our spacer on, our pulley, and our new washer. And of course, yeah, with that down on there, you know, the pulley clears and doesn't rub it. Then our flange nut goes on top, like so. And then just a short 9/16 socket. And turn the ratchet, go in the right direction, and then we can tighten that down, and nice and quiet now. And of course I checked the other idler pulleys underneath, and they all spin and turn really good. So all I got left here is to put the belt back on, which that isn't no big deal. And then we'll come back here to the back. Need it. And I'm going to start out with the one that's on the right side, because that's the side that this arm pivots on. And basically just got to get the pulley up there, and the belt guides are part of that bracket. So I get the pulley started up on the bolt. Up. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. And then I grab the nut and get it started. And then I'll need my wrench to go on the top side and hold the head of the bolt. Which sometimes easier said than done. And then we'll tighten up this nut. And then, of course, I didn't get the there's a bushing up there that this slides on, and that's part of the problem with getting things started is we got to get that bushing and this arm locked together. See, it's got the spring on. I was trying to avoid pulling the spring. There we go. Put that in the right spot, and then we can put this back up here on top. And of course, having these cordless ratchets sure is handy. I'll get that tight and give her a little snug. And then of course, now this, we got this rod here, and this is actually attached to the parking brake. So, if you watch, when I pull the parking brake and set it, it moves. Of course, it moves that arm back so that I can pull the belt around here. And of course, got to make sure it's still up on all the pulleys. Because we got our transmission pulleys, we got to keep it on them. Okay. So we're on all our pulleys. Now I take this other new pulley and slide it up through here and up the bolt. Like so, because we've got to get it up there, and then you know, this belt guide here, right there, the belt, it doesn't move, so you got to get the belt in between it and the pulley. And we can start this, the nut on this side, get it started up there, and then same thing, get our wrench and put it up on top to hold the bolt. Then we can get our ratchet here and tighten everything down like so. That's got our belt locked in there, and it never slacks it enough to fall off the transmissions unless the belt is really worn. And then we can release the parking brake. When we do that, of course, release the parking brake, then this rod here allows the spring to pull that arm forward, and we put our tension on our belt. And now we're in drive mode, and look and make sure we're still up on everything like we should be. Then I can reach up there and feel, and go around on the outside and feel it's in the pulley, and do the same thing on the other side. And of course, up on the engine, it's contained. It's not coming out because that's a welded on bracket. It can't fall out. But we got a lot of oil here, but when he changed the oil, he just let it drain all over everything, so it made a mess. Yeah, and that's all there is to changing that. Now some models, this isn't attached to the parking brake, so you got to pull this spring off. And when I get a model like that, I'll redo another video. Okay, well, that concludes our video on the idler pulleys on this Cub Cadet. This is a zero turn that actually has a steering wheel, and it's one of the early ones. That it's actually a really good running cutting machine and easy to drive. So You know, actually anybody that wants a zero turn that has trouble with dual levers, these with the steering wheel really aren't that bad, you know, out there cutting. They're easy to operate and actually work really well. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, give me a thumbs up for a like, because I can take all the likes on my videos I can get. Go ahead and subscribe, because no telling what else you might see on my channel. And appreciate you watching, and stay tuned, because I'm not doing it right now, but I'm going to service the transmissions on this, and I'll walk you through all that when I get started. Thank you.